The Chestnut Munia, with its vibrant chestnut plumage and captivating charm, is a bird that epitomizes social connection. Found across the wetlands, grasslands, and agricultural fields of Asia, this bird's life story is as fascinating as its appearance. The Chestnut Munia, scientifically known as Lonchura atricapilla, is a small passerine bird. Its striking coloration, with a chestnut-brown body and black head, makes it instantly recognizable. From India's verdant rice fields to the lush wetlands of Southeast Asia, the Chestnut Munia thrives in environments rich in vegetation and water. These habitats provide ample food and nesting opportunities. Their name stems from their distinct chestnut-colored plumage, a hue that sets them apart and reflects the richness of their natural surroundings. The Chestnut Munia is rarely seen alone. Its life revolves around the flock, a dynamic community where cooperation and communication are key. Living in large flocks offers safety and efficiency. Together, they forage for seeds and grains, watch for predators, and share the responsibilities of raising young. Chestnut Munia are master communicators. Their repertoire of chirps, trills, and whistles convey messages ranging from warnings to courtship invitations. From preening each other's feathers to performing playful antics, the Chestnut Munia's behavior highlights the joy and complexity of their social lives. Despite their adaptability, the Chestnut Munia faces threats from habitat loss and environmental changes. Protecting their habitats ensures that their spirited flocks continue to thrive. You can make a difference by supporting conservation initiatives and spreading awareness about the Chestnut Munia's vibrant life.